And this is working with data, so that we just deal with this stuff. It's fine.
We just deal with it, right?
Yep.
We can subscribe to event hubs. You can see here's a couple recommended options that we have. We can go to OneLake events, so we can actually create. We can take action when files are created or deleted within Fabric, right? So hey, maybe this real-time intelligence thing sounds really cool, right? But maybe we're not ready for that, right? We're going to go continue to do our medallion architecture, but when files get created or files get deleted, we want to go get a notification of that, right? Or we want to go integrate that in as a part of our platform.
Right.
One of the things I spend a lot of my time talking to customers about is monitoring around Fabric all across, right? So like workspace monitoring is really cool. When you look at workspace monitoring, it's at the workspace level, right? For a lot of customers, they have many workspaces across a ton of different things, right? So when you look at, okay, if I want to go implement a pipeline and I want to go create a pipeline in maybe 20 different workspaces, it's really cost prohibitive, or it's really hard for me to go stand up a workspace monitor for each of those solutions because it's hard to get that data out. So when you look at that, maybe creating your own kind of monitoring framework around Fabric, leveraging real-time intelligence, you go create a framework and say, when pipelines execute, I want to go send this to an event stream, or when these notebooks execute, I want to go send that telemetry to an event stream, and then I can go send that to an event house. So there's tons of possibilities that you can go do with real-time intelligence from anything event-driven, right? When you really expand your brain to think about event-driven architecture, so many things come up, whether it's security data, whether it's monitoring and observability data, just even in Fabric, or whether it's, I want to integrate this with my business. So I think the business piece is kind of one vertical and one silo, but there's a whole bunch of other things as well.